I want to talk about something most leaders are getting catastrophically wrong.
AI.
AIs.
AI.
Hey, I'm Archie, and I'm on a mission to make you the smartest person in the room when it comes to AI. Most leaders are about to spend millions on the wrong layer of AI, and they don't know it yet. Because there's a pattern nobody's talking about. Every wave of technology eats the layer below it. Cloud took infrastructure, SaaS took application, automation took the workflow, and now AI is coming for business logic, for capabilities, for entire functions. Each wave does the same thing. It compresses the technical stack and forces differentiation upward. The thing that made you special yesterday becomes a commodity tomorrow. So the real question isn't how do I compete with AI? The real question is what's left above it. Let me show you what I mean. 20 years ago, owning a data center was a moat. Then cloud came and infrastructure became a commodity. You couldn't differentiate on it anymore. 10 years ago, owning custom-built business applications was a moat. Then SaaS came, and the application layer became a commodity. You couldn't differentiate on it anymore. 5 years ago, owning a clever automation platform was a moat. Then AI came, and automation itself is becoming a commodity. Each time, the same thing happens. Companies pour millions into the layer that's about to be flattened. They keep optimizing the thing that's about to stop mattering. And by the time they realize the moat moved, the competition has already gone past them, building further up the stack. This is the thing nobody's talking about. We're at exactly that moment again. Leaders are pouring money into the layer AI is about to commoditize. The data platform, the model layer, the agent framework, the dashboard, the reporting tool, all of it commoditizing. And they're underinvesting in the layer that's becoming the actual moat. So let me tell you where I think that moat lives. There are 5 layers AI cannot touch yet. Number 1, language and culture. The context, the nuance, the institutional memory, the thing that lets a senior leader read a room before they read a deck. The reason a 20-year veteran in your industry hears a vendor pitch and knows it's wrong in 30 seconds, even though they can't immediately explain why. AI doesn't have that. It might fake it, it can't have it. Number 2, relationships and trust. The human credibility that gets a client to say yes when the business case alone wouldn't have moved them. AI can write a better proposal than you. It still can't sit across from someone, look them in the eye, and make them believe you're there when it all goes wrong. That's the moat. Number 3, ethics and values. Judgment on what's right, not just what's optimal. AI can compute the optimal answer all day long. It can run 1,000 scenarios in a second. What it can't tell you is whether you should do the thing the optimal scenario suggests. That decision sits with a human, and it always will. Number 4, capabilities and roles. How you actually organize people around problems. Who decides, who escalates, who owns it when it breaks at 2 a.m. AI doesn't redesign your operating model. It exposes how badly designed it already was. And number 5, consciousness. That's why behind the decision, purpose, self-awareness, the reason your organization exists at all, AI can serve a purpose. It doesn't have one. These are different soft skills. So that's the new technical stack. This is the part where people go, yeah, but Archie, AI will get better at all those things over time. Maybe in some of them. But here's the thing. Even if AI eventually closes some of those gaps, it will take a decade. And in that decade, the next decade, the companies that win will be the ones who built the human edge underneath their AI investment. Not the ones who built the biggest data platform. Not the ones who hired the most prompt engineers. Not the ones who licensed the most agents. The ones who built the culture, the trust, the judgment, the relationships, the clarity of purpose. Because here's what I've watched happen in client after client. The organization's stuck, experimenting with AI forever. And there's a lot of them. The data says 42%. They're not stuck because the models are bad. They're stuck because the human layer underneath them was never strong enough to take the weight. You can't scale AI on a weak foundation, and the foundation is human. So if you're a leader watching this and trying to work out where to place your bets for the next 5 years, here's the honest answer. The technical stack is going to commoditize. All of it, faster than you think. Differentiation is moving upward into the layers AI can't yet reach. AI is taking more than people expected, but there is a ceiling, and the new frontier is human. If that resonated, I'd love to know in the comments which of the 5 layers you think's the hardest to build and the easiest to neglect. This is what I spend my 9 to 5 doing all the time, and how we're approaching it with customers at the moment to help you differentiate in the new AI era. Thanks for listening.